Your phone's ready to play, but without a Spotify account, you're locked out of millions of songs, podcasts, and playlists. Most people skip it, thinking it's complicated, but it's not. Creating your account takes less than a minute, and once you do, you unlock endless music, personalized playlists, and everything you love, all in one place. Let's set it up right now. So, open up the Spotify app. Next, tap on Sign Up for free. Here you will get two options to sign up. Continue with email and continue with Google. If you go with continue with email, then you need to enter your email manually. But if you go with the second one, such as continue with Google, then your signed Gmail will integrate with this account. Like, I'm going to create an account with my Google account. Tap on continue with Google. Now select your Gmail account from here. Then set your birthday date. After that, tap next. Now select your gender. Then set your name. This name will appear as your Spotify name. Then checkmark the policies below. And then tap create account. Now, if you want to get notifications from Spotify, then turn on notifications. Otherwise, you can skip it by tapping not now. Then choose your favorite artists from here. You need to choose at least 3 artists. After choosing the artists, tap done, and then tap start listening, and here your Spotify account is ready. Now, stream your favorite songs and enjoy your day. And that's all. This is how you can create a Spotify account. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.